Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we're gonna make kofta, which is one of my favorite recipes because it's simple, easy and very delicious as well. So if you are interested to know how to make this recipe, please keep on watching. First thing, you'll need 500 grams of ground meat, and you'll need 1 small onion and a third cup of parsley. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. And you'll need 2 sliced tomatoes. And this is actually very optional. This is 1 tablespoon of pomegranate syrup. And in a pan, just put the meat and then add the other ingredients, the parsley and the onion, and of course the salt and pepper and the olive oil, and finally the pomegranate syrup. And as I said, this is actually very optional. And then start to mix all the ingredients together and make sure that everything is mixed pretty well. And then spread the meat all over the pan and make sure that it's even, especially from the edges because we don't want burned edges. And once you're done, you want to do this motion with your fingers just to make sure that it's baked pretty well from the center and everywhere else in the oven. And finally, add the tomato slices on top and press them a little bit. And I just want to mention something here, which is if your meat is fat-free, you'll need to pour some water on it before you bake it in the oven, because if you didn't do that, it might get burned because the lack of water. So just add a little bit of water anyway, even if your meat is fatty. And here I'm just adding a little bit of salt on top of the tomatoes just to add some flavor. A drizzle of olive oil. Cover it with foil or any lid you have. Bake it for 30 to 40 minutes at 180 Celsius degrees in a preheated oven. And what I like to do first is to bake it from the bottom, and once it starts boiling, take off the lid or the foil and let the water evaporate, and then bake it from the top until it becomes a little bit darker or dark brown. And that's it for this recipe, guys, and this is the end result. It was really good and delicious. I eat it with hummus or anything else actually, and yeah, it's just amazing. And if you want to enhance the flavor, just add a little bit of pomegranate syrup on top, just like I do. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!